sunny days and rainy days, and yeah, summer can be quite hot and rainy. And winters are usually cold. We have snow, but not that much like we used to have. Like we have temperatures well below freezing and more or less snowy. If you come from a warmer climate, make sure you have a proper clothing during the winter. And this is the average temperature. As you can see, the highest temperature is in July and August. The lowest is January and December, and average low temperature is like labeled Poland one of the most polluted countries, especially Kraków. And central Poland areas are polluted because of cement production and lignite burning affected the coal. And the consequences of environmental degradation are like the polluted rivers because of the urban effluents and industrial effluents, and yeah, cities and towns are significant pollution sources.
Improving, the greatest pollution of air, water and soil is related to the development-heavy industry, which Poland is already post its peak. The modern economy of the post-industrial phase pays more and more attention to improving the environment, and thankfully our government changed in December, so we hope for like biggest changes in that topic. And smog is air pollution. The main cause of air pollution in Poland is low emissions, which means exhaust gases from solid fuel boilers and stoves in households. The situation is getting worse by burning of poor quality coal in devices that do not meet any exhaust emission standards. It is estimated that about 3 million of them are in use in the country. Replacing a furnace is an expense that many people cannot afford, and government try to do something with that, but the people can change their stoves in households. And actually about like air pollution, some people still like, as you can see, like burning plastic bottles in their stoves or even like tires, and you know, like it's very bad for air.
Prolonged no rainfall periods occur more and more often, leading to water supply shortages. Drought and heat waves are expected in the following years. On the one hand, the occurrence of storms and flash floods will increase. On the top of that, climatologists expect other extreme weather, even such as strong winds and hailstorms, to become more frequent. Global warming results in the rising sea level with a temperature rise of 1.5. Models predict the Baltic Sea level to rise by at least 16 centimeters, leading to the risk of the part of the Polish coast being periodically flooded during strong winds. And
transition, reducing CO2 emission and protesting nature since its inception in 2018. The group has organized regular protest climate marches and informational campaigns to raise awareness among the public and decision makers about the urgent need for action. Young activists not only call for a policy change but also educate society about scale of problems and possible solution. The changes posed by climate change require comprehensive
to promote vegetarian and vegan diets, because they are also quite polluting. As you can see, these are the numbers.
Poland is a way to go,
Mm.
to teach people that it actually have an impact on environment. Unfortunately.
Yeah. But there is also still some good news, of course. Like it has grown a lot in Poland, and in the Netherlands, almost a quarter of the meals eaten are vegetarian. Yeah, before I end it, I also want to say like it's quite hard to not get pessimistic and sad and demotivated by all this. I'll write a nice Instagram page on here. It's a lady that is very good at giving positive news about the environment. So I'll write it down if you want to go check that out. And that's the end.
Thank you.